Setting up your inbound mailbox. Most customer support teams rely on email as their main communication channel. And if that describes your team, guess what? Desk.com has got you covered. Desk.com provides two robust solutions for receiving inbound emails. You can connect to your existing mailbox or use a free email service that Desk provides called Postmark. Once you're set up, each email sent to your Desk.com account will create a case within Desk. In this video, we'll show you how to set up inbound email by connecting to an existing mailbox. But if you want to learn more about Postmark, jump over to support.desk.com and search for the knowledge article, Setting Up a Postmark Mailbox. Here, we're going to set up a mailbox hosted by Gmail. Providers like Gmail are easy to configure because they have defined host names and ports. If you're using your own mail server, you'll need to find these details beforehand. Let's get started. Log into your Desk.com account and go to Admin, navigate to Channels, Email, then Inbound Email. Click on Add Mailbox. Give the mailbox a name. Next, enter the email and password for the account. Now click Continue. At this point, you'll have the option to import up to 1,000 of your emails. Select Import My Existing Emails if you want to do this. Otherwise, click I'm Done to continue. Now you can start receiving emails in this mailbox. If you have your own email server, you'll want to update the settings, so we'll cover that now. Click on the settings icon to the right. At the top, we have the option to change the name of the mailbox. We can also reset the password. Remember, if your company's mail server password changes, you'll need to update the password here so it matches. Next is the default group. In Desk, you can create groups to organize your agents. The default group setting here lets you automatically assign incoming emails to the default group of your choice. For example, A-Team, General, or Supervisor groups. Next is the mailbox type. Please note that in order to connect to an existing mailbox, it must be IMAP enabled. We have two options here, IMAP or IMAPs. IMAP is a standard connection type that does not encrypt the data. IMAPs is the encrypted version of this protocol. You need to specify your email server host, but that should auto-populate. For commonly hosted mail servers like Gmail, the host name is the same for every account and can easily be found on their help sites. If you have your own email server, check your server settings. The port is either going to be 143 for IMAP or 993 for IMAPs. These are the only two ports for IMAP connections, so the port will be determined by the security type set above. The option to delete from server will remove the copy of the email from the server as it comes into Desk, which frees up server space should you want this. Inbound filters block incoming emails from the addresses you list here. If, for example, you receive spam or auto-responses from addresses like noreply@company.com, you could add that here so Desk won't create cases coming from this email. Finally, the outbound address filter blocks emails to specific addresses from leaving Desk. For example, if you receive a bounce message, you wouldn't want to send an auto-acknowledgement. So you can add the address to the outbound address filter and prevent it from being sent. When you're done making edits, click Update. Now that you've set up an inbound mailbox, you can start fielding your customers' queries. And you've just begun to unlock the power of Desk.com.